In this lecture, we are going to see how to insert pricing tables into our e-commerce website. If you haven't heard about pricing tables, then let me introduce it to you now. You could have seen pricing tables in many places, but the only thing is you might not have recognized that it's a pricing table. For example, let's come to Liquid Web website, which is one of the hosting provider that I have recommended. Here, when we come down, we can see this portfolio of options, that is dedicated servers, VPS hosting and cloud dedicated hosting. If Liquid Web has prepared separate pages or product types for these three packages separately, then that might have not been an attractive portfolio. But see here, any visitor can clearly understand that Liquid Web offers three different types of hosting packages or some packages, and we can easily compare the difference of features between these three packages. So don't you wish to add a pricing table like this into your e-commerce site? Before adding, let me tell the applications where we can use pricing tables. Yesterday in our course discussion, while discussing with our new student, Hafiz, he said that he is a social media marketing expert. Then I promised him that I will do a new lecture on adding pricing tables so that he can display some 3 preset templates on selling his skills. Let's implement it in our website. I have selected 3 different plugins to insert pricing tables into our website. Let's see them one by one. The first plugin is Responsive Pricing Table plugin. The name itself says you that this plugin is responsive. That means if you reduce the size of the browser or if you change the device in which you browse, such as a lower screen size laptop or mobile, or even in a higher screen size desktop monitor, in all of these screen sizes, the table adopts itself like our website. This first one is a kind of preset pricing table and it looks neat by default. You just need to enter the content and it's ready to go. It also means that you cannot customize the colors of each and individual objects. Rather, you can choose a preset color styles for the tables. So if you don't like customizing deeper into the pricing tables, and rather if you like to use the preset styles, then this responsive pricing table looks neat by default. The second pricing table that we are going to see is Kento pricing tables. All the 3 plugins that we are seeing now are free plugins, so you don't need to pay for them. Kento pricing table is a pure CSS3 and HTML pricing table. What does it mean to you? It means this pricing table is very light and it will not affect the page load speed of your website. This also provides you some basic customization options, but it looks good by default. The third pricing table that we are going to see has got the name pricing table itself. This plugin may not attract you at first, but it has tons of customization options where you can customize each and every element's color so that you can tune it to your own liking. Not only colors, this plugin has got many other customization features. Let's see how to install them and how to configure them in the next lectures.